The last time I saw this question, I asked myself, how am I going to solve this? Many students are complaining about how to solve these type of questions, and it is because of as a result of the order of operations. Now, this kind of mathematical expression always go viral because it comes with so many answers. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to provide the correct answer to this mathematical expression. All right. Now we are given 12 divided by 2 parenthesis 1 plus 2. All right. So let's see what we will do here. So we have 12 divided by 2. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2, 3, 6. We have 12 divided by 6. So 12 over 6 is 2. So this one is wrong. Okay, it's wrong. Now let's see the proper pattern that we follow to solve this question. Okay, so let's understand what is meant by PEMDAS. Okay, or board mass. Okay, so these are the order of operation that we need to take note of. So I will start with the first one, P and B. So the P stands for parenthesis. Parenthesis. Okay. So or B or bracket. So bracket. Now anytime you are given a mathematical expression, you have to check if there is a parenthesis. If you find out that there is a parenthesis, make sure you deal with the parenthesis first. For instance, 5 times 3 plus 2. So this is a parenthesis. So I'll deal with this one first. Okay. All right. Now the second thing I'll talk about is exponent. Okay. Exponent or order. Okay. So exponent, after dealing with the parenthesis, the next thing is to check if there is a number raising something. So something like this. Okay, if you find out that there is something like this, make sure you attend to it. Okay, in that order. So in that regard, you have to deal with it. Okay, so I will talk about multiplication and division. Okay, multiplication and division. Okay, so this side is very important. Okay, multiplication and division. Okay, now I'll come back to it. Let's write the last one. That will be addition, subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. Okay, so be very careful here. We have plus then minus, multiplication, division. Now we call this one same precedence. Okay, now when two orders are of the same precedence, okay, so same precedence, we start from the left to our right. Now let's understand what is meant by same precedence. Now in case you are given 6 divided by 2 times 5, or 6 times 2 divided by 5, or 5 plus 2 minus 4, or 3 minus 4 plus 5. Okay, now let's look at the first pair. Okay, so we have division here, we have multiplication, so we call this one same precedence. Now if it happens this way, so multiplication division, we start from the left of the expression. Okay, so with this, I'll divide this one before I'll multiply by the final one. Okay, and this one, multiplication division, I will start from the left hand side. I will multiply, and after that I will divide. Okay, now I have also the next pair, that is addition and subtraction. Okay, so if it happens this way, now let's check. So we have addition, subtraction, so same precedence. I'll start from the left, so this side I'll add and subtract, and this one too I'll subtract and I'll add as well. All right, now knowing these terms, I think we can go ahead and then solve the question. Okay, now let's solve the question. So it has been said there is a parenthesis in the expression, so I'll deal with it first. So we have parenthesis here, that's the bracket. So we have 12 divided by 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now we have a solution to this. Now remember that a parenthesis b is the same as a times b. Okay, so this side is the same as 12 divided by 2 times 3. Now remember, we are back to the same precedence that I was talking about. So we have multiplication division, and if it happens this way, we start from the left of the expression, so we call it same precedence. So I'll start from the left hand side here, so I have to divide this one. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so we have the solution to the 6 times 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. So the correct answer here is 18, but not 2. Okay, so I think this video is very useful, and if you see this video to be useful, please kindly hit on the subscribe button as we grow the channel together. Okay, so having this knowledge, go ahead and try this. Okay, 5 divided by 4 parenthesis 3 minus 2. Okay, so you can put the answer under the comment section below. All right, so thanks for watching, and God bless you. Bye.